So, I quit my job at Royal Caribbean. I am joining a cruise ship very shortly, sailing out of Fort Lauderdale, Miami, Florida. I'm flying out of Fairbanks, Alaska. I'm currently in Juneau, Alaska, but I've got my car. Juneau is an island in the middle of Southeast Alaska. It's about 700 miles south of where I need to be right now. But I have to do this because I gotta get my car home. I can't leave my car in Juneau. It rains here all the time. My car will probably be a giant bucket of rust. So anyway, I'm here on the ferry. We're headed to Haines. The goal of today is to get all the way through Canada to Tok, Alaska. But here's the most important information of all. Cassandra, my lovely girlfriend, is currently on the cruise ship. The plan that I have hatched is for me to travel all this way, all the way to Florida, without Cass knowing a single thing. So we gotta be sneaky, guys. This is a stealth operation. The camera's not focusing on my face. Why? Under cover of night, we're slipping out of Juneau. I feel like a spy, you know what I'm saying? $4.65 a gallon. I swear 2 minutes after I get into Canada, it starts dumping snow on me. Hey buddy, just a bear in the road. I should keep going. All right, well we just finished our second gas station stop. I've been on the road now for about 6 hours. The snow is really starting to pile up here. It's a good thing I put my snow tires on. Pulling out of gas station number 3. We are right at the Canadian-US border, back into Alaska. I've been on the road for about 8 hours now. Only about an hour left, maybe a little bit more. Here we go. Cass and I have this ongoing joke where I just can't surprise her. I always just get really excited when I'm about to give her presents or something, and I've given her presents early, and I always spoil the surprise like too soon. So this is like the biggest surprise of all time. This surprise is me making up for all of the failed surprises of our past 3 years of our relationship. I made it to this nice little quaint bed and breakfast. And speaking of breakfast, I'm gonna go have some and then get on the road because I still have about a 4-hour drive to Fairbanks on some of the iciest, snowiest, slickest roads I've ever driven on. It is astonishing to me how much a few hundred miles of distance can make in terms of what the whole season is. Look at how much snow there is on the ground out here. A few hundred miles south and it was barely fall. That's crazy. I'm pretty sure the snow on the road melted and then refroze last night. So I've basically just been driving on a 200-mile sheet of ice for the last just here in Fairbanks, really quick to hand the car over to my parents so they can take it home, and then I'm off to the airport. That was a really scary and insane drive, but we're here and we're safe and nobody died. All right, I need to finish packing. Back at the airport. It took me about 2 hours longer to get through that section of road than it would have normally, so I'm really glad I left early, just in case anything went wrong, and now I can just chill here at the airport and download my movies and everything and get ready to go. I'm so determined to get this surprise right that I even texted Cass's manager on the ship on LinkedIn and told him that I'm trying to surprise Cass and not to tell her anything. So I've even infiltrated the upper management of the ship to get them on board with my surprise. This conspiracy goes far beyond me, and I'm very excited. It's gonna be perfect. Hi, it's me, Riley, from 5 Months Later. So this is around the point in the video where the combined adrenaline from driving for basically 2 days straight through the Arctic wilderness on icy roads and having close encounters with grizzly bears and stuff, when the adrenaline from all that wore off. And the resulting energy crash and drain just kind of completely killed my motivation to make videos, basically until I got on the ship. So there's kind of this gap in the story. But I do have a little bit of footage at the end here, so we're just gonna like pretend that this, what I'm saying right now, is this amazing travel montage, getting all the way to Miami and getting on the ship, and then the video starts again. So here we go, right now. Good morning. I have a surprise. What do you think the surprise is?
Tell me right now. I'm tired.
Okay. Are you ready? Okay. Wait, I'm recording this. I gotta bring my camera, because I'm surprising you. Okay. I haven't actually done the thing yet. No, I work here now. Cass, here's the thing. I am so bad at surprising you that I felt like I needed to completely overcompensate for all of the failed surprises of like the past 3 years. So this has been like 2 months in the making.
What the fuck, Riley?
Yeah! Mission accomplished. So that's it. I work here now. Virgin Voyages. Great cruise line. Best career move I've ever made in my entire life. And for real, if you're a crew member out there working for a different cruise line and you don't feel valued or appreciated by your company, it's not perfect here. Everywhere's got its flaws, but I can tell you that Virgin Voyages genuinely cares about the people that work for them, and you just get treated like a human being. I mean, do you have anything to add, Cass?
Awesome. No complaints.
We made it, guys. We switched companies. It's a big deal. It's not easy. Anyway, we are on the Scarlet Lady for 2.5 more weeks, and then we're going on vacation. But it's late, and I'm tired,